Hi Ray, the markers are looking good. I'm just going to run through the process of the markers. Should be a final revision really, because we're pretty close now. This is all fine, this functionality at the moment. So I just need to click on a page and then come back. You got rid of the click here that appears when you there was another thing I was going to brief in. It looks like you fixed that yourself, which is great. Now with these, this one here, can this come in about maybe say 2 seconds? I think 2 seconds after this. So Flinders Ranges, 1, 2, click here. Yeah, 2 seconds, just so that when people mouse over it, they see Flinders Ranges first. They get that impression. Then click here. We want the initial impact of this image to be impressed upon them. So when I zoom in, this is great. So this one here, once again, could we do another 2 second delay on this one? Just so that when they initially go over this, they're looking at this before this extra information. And then maybe 1 second on this one. Yeah, we'll do a 1 second on here because they've already seen the pop-up, so that doesn't need to be impressed upon them, and we want them to zoom back out. So 1 second delay on that. Click zoom out. And then this one, a 1 second delay on this, and I apologize, I should have given you the correct text where it was all in caps. Could we make that all caps, that text? So that's it. And I think after that, the markers, the tooltips will be finalized. Thank you, Ray. Cheers.